Hi guys, I just received my Play by Sephora for May 2019. I have taken the items out of the bag, and this is what the bag looks like. To me, it looks like all the other bags. Yeah, I like the cloth ones that they used to give. At least they were in different colors, different styles. But yeah, this is what this looks like. And it has like the comb and it says play and it has like the eye pencil and the mascara. It's a really cute bag though. And like I said, I took the items out of the bag and this is $10 to join. And yeah, for each month you get like a new bag with new products in it because you fill out this little they give ask you questions on the internet about your hair color, the skin color, your lipstick, like things that you would like, and then they just create a bag for you with stuff they think that you'll like. um, yeah, and so now I'm going to show you the paper that always comes in there. I always call it like a booklet, but it's really just a piece of paper that they have in there. And the card that they always give, and it says Play by Sephora 50 Beauty Insight Points. And that's for like um when you go to Sephora store and you have the extra points. So you could do it online or any like online or at the store. And these are just some of the products that I got. I'm just showing it to you really quickly because I'm gonna show you them in a bit. And it says Beauty BFFS. Yeah. And this is what it looks like again in the front. Now I'm going to show you the products that I received. And the first item is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Remover Gel Cleanser. And this is what this looks like. It's like a sample size. And I think I have received this before. Then the next item up that I got, it says DPU and it has ACV and it stands for the apple cider vinegar hair rinse, and it says shampoo substitute that gently removes impurities, color locked technology. And so this is what this looks like. Then the next item that I received is, it says Cora, and this is an all skin type Cora organic, and it says face oil. And this is what this looked like. This is a sample size too. Then the next item that I received is Lancome, and this is a mascara, and it says base the mascara, and it says super enchanting mascara base, and it's a clear color mascara primer, so it has no color, it's in clear. And again, it's Lancome. Then the next item that I received is from Benefit. And if I could get this focused, and it says Bad Gal Bang, and this is a mascara. And then the last item I received is Victor Roth Magic Salty Flower. And it's a perfume. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. It's trying to come out of the little thing here, but this is what it looks like. And it smells pretty good. And it's Victor and Roth Magic. Little samples. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. Now I have the other perfume that they have, but yeah. And these are all the items that I received in my Play by Sephora. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.